Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a subscription website on Wix. Whether you're looking to make a subscription website like Patreon, where you will be able to offer different tiers that persons can subscribe to, or you're looking to create a subscription website where you can sell videos or so on, this is the tutorial for you. If you're also looking how to create a subscription box where you can offer physical products that persons can sign up to and they'll receive on a monthly or weekly manner, this is the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do after creating your Wix account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to see two options, and I want you to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, from here you can type in subscription. So let's do that real quick. Then from there you can select what type of subscription you would like to offer. As you can see, different sub niches. We're just going to select subscription box. Then you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your Wix dashboard. Once on your Wix dashboard, you can name your website. So I'm just going to call it Test Sub, and you're going to tap on Continue. Then I'm going to tap on No, I'm just starting out, then select Continue once more. From here, you can choose whether you're going to be offering physical products or digital products or services. So we're going to be selecting physical products for now. Then we're going to tap on Continue, then select Continue once more, and from here we'll be redirected to our dashboard. Once on your dashboard, if it is a case that you plan on offering subscription boxes for physical product, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over Catalog, then select Store Products, and you're going to tap on Create New Product in the top right-hand corner. Then you would select Physical Product. After selecting Physical Product, from here you could add images of your physical product. So I could tap right here and add image, and then I'm just going to be selecting a random image. So let me do that. I'll tap on Upload Media, and I'm just going to be uploading a random image. Let's say, for example, this right here. Once you have added your image, you're going to tap on Add to Page, and you can add numerous images and video if you want. Then you could put in the product title. So I'm just going to call it Test Product right here. After you have done that, you could add a description, and you're going to scroll down. And this is where you would put the price where you would sell it for if someone were to purchase one of the item. So you're going to put that price right there. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you're going to see the option Create a Subscription. You're going to tap on that. After you have tapped on that, you can give the subscription a name. So for example, you can see Coffee of the Month is a suggestion that you can use. So you could use that. So let's say, for example, Painting of the Month. We'll just use that example. Then you could add a tagline right there. You can select how often this will repeat. You can do that right there. So once every month. And you can select when it would expire. So I'm going to say never. Then you'll select the discount that you'll be offering once someone subscribes. So let's say I will be offering a 10% discount. So I'm going to tap on Apply. After you have tapped on Apply, you can select Maybe Later, and you can see how it looks. And this is how you would create a subscription box for physical product. Now, let's say you would like to create a subscription box for digital products or services. All you would need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over Apps, and you're going to select App Market. After selecting App Market, you're going to tap on the search bar in the top left-hand corner, and you're going to type in Subscription, and you're going to select Subscription. Then you're going to select Wix Pricing Plan. It is free to install, and you're going to tap on Add to Site. After selecting Add to Site, you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Then you're going to tap on Start Now. After selecting Start Now, you're going to tap on Create Plan. But after selecting create plan, from here you can create the different tiers. So for example, I can create goal. So let's say goal plan. Then you could add a cover image, you can add description, and you can select what persons will be receiving once they sign up to the goal plan. You can also tap on add more and you can add more information. Then scrolling down, you want to select recurring payment and you can set the price that you will be offering it for. So let's say $12 and you can select monthly or weekly. After doing that, you can select the length of the plan. So I'm just going to select until cancel. So unless their customer choose to cancel it, it will continue. It's a recurring plan. Then you can scroll down and you can see different settings that you can set up. And I'm going to leave allow customers to cancel on. And you can also add your different policies. And if you would like to edit the checkout page, you can do that. You can also edit the thank you page. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After you have created your goal plan, you could tap on create plan once more and you could create your silver plan, for example, and you can create numerous plans. After you're finished creating your plan, you're going to tap on set up payment method. And this is where you'll be able to connect your PayPal and different payment options. So it all depends on the country you're located in. At the moment, I'm located in Jamaica, so I would be able to connect TillerPay and PayPal. So you can connect these payment options. Now, let's say it is a case that you would like to sell video subscriptions. All you would need to do is tap on apps once more, then select app market. After selecting app market, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top left hand corner and you're going to type in video and you're going to select video. Then from here, you're going to select Wix video. After selecting Wix video, I want you to tap on add to site. After selecting add to site, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Now that you're on your dashboard, you're going to simply close that. And from here, you're going to add videos. So you're going to simply tap on the plus and then you're going to tap on add videos and you're going to tap on go to video library. After selecting go to video library, you can choose to upload your first video. So you can choose to upload it from your computer or so on. So let me quickly select a video that I would like to use. So let's say, for example, this video. Let's see right here. I'm going to simply use this. And you can see that it is being uploaded right there. Now you're going to tap on the pencil icon that says edit video. From here, you can edit the title of the video. You can also put it in a category. You can add tags and description. And this is where you'll be able to add the thumbnail image. Then we're going to tap on paid. So after selecting paid, you can set the price that you would like to offer it for. After setting the price, from here you can choose whether you like it to be downloaded or not. And we're going to tap on video can be rented. So we're going to select that option right there. And you can set the price and you can see available for. So you can choose whether it can be purchased or rented. And you can choose both items if you want. After doing that, you can choose if you would like to show a trailer. And you can also tap on more options. After selecting more from here, you could add the crew or cast if you want. And you can also select whether it is mature content or it is good for all individuals. Once everything is up to par, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. So now that we have set that up, it is now time to set up the appearance of our website. So you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then select design site. Then you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select a template of your liking. Let's say this one. So we'll tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, you're going to be redirected to the Wix editor page. On the Wix editor page, you'll be able to make changes to how your website appears. So you can see how it appears at the moment. Normally, the first thing I would do is close the pop-up box that is going to appear. Then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. so I can get a better view of how my website looks. So once this loads up, I'll be showing you what to do. So we'll close the pop-up box. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After doing that, this is how your website looks at the moment. And from here, you can start editing it by hovering over any section, then tapping on quick edit. And you can go over to the right hand column and you can edit each section as you can see here. It is quite easy to edit a Wix website. All you have to do is tap on the section that you would like to change and you can make your changes. And by the way, to view all the pages on your website, you will tap on home in the top left hand corner and you can see the different pages right here. So if I were to tap on plans and prices, we will be redirected to the pricing page as you can see that I had created earlier. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. Keep in mind, if you want to accept payment using Wix, it would be best that you sign up to their paid plan. But their plans are quite affordable compared to the competition, and if you're looking to start a business, I would definitely recommend that you use their business plan and give it a try. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to create a subscription website on Wix.